Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan and today I'm going to tell you about the top 5 blushes available in India. So let's get started with the video. On number 5, I have the My Glam Chisel It palette. Now this is a 3-in-1 palette. It has a bronzer, blush and a highlighter. So the blush in it is a very natural looking blush and it can be used on everyday basis. It's very natural looking. It gives a beautiful flush to the cheeks and I highly recommend it to you guys because it has 3 things and all the things are very nice in this palette. You can easily carry this palette whenever you're traveling, or you can also carry it in your purse, and it's very classy, chic and useful. The reason why I have given it number 5 rank is because it is a tad bit expensive, and that's the only reason about it. On number 4, I have the Beat Tint by the brand Ilana Organics. Now this is a liquid blush which comes in a dropper form and it has liquid blush in it which is claimed to be a beetroot tint. Only 1 drop of this tint is enough to cover your cheeks. It is very natural looking, it blends out beautifully and it can also be used as a lip tint. It is actually a very good dupe to the Benetint lip and cheek stain, but the only downside to this is that it washes off with water. So when you wash off your face with water, it fades away to some extent and you have the need to reapply it, especially on the lips. But since it's a water-based tint, it is quite justified. I actually like this tint a lot because just 1 drop and you're sorted. So it will last you a very long time and comparatively to the Benetint, it's very affordable. I actually like this blush a lot because just 1 drop is enough for the cheeks. So it will last a really long time. So it will also save you a money in the long run. This gives a red tint to the cheeks, not maroon, not pink. So if you want to have that natural red rosy cheeks, you can go for it. On number 3, I have the O2O blush in the shade 01. Now this is a dupe for the NARS Orgasm blush and it has a very beautiful and natural looking rosy tint to it. It is a pink colored blush and it also has gold highlighter mixed in it. So when you apply this blush on your cheeks, you not only get pink cheeks, you also get golden highlighter on your cheeks. So your cheeks shine throughout the day. It stays on for a good amount of time and it comes in various shades. I ordered the shade 01 because it's the exact dupe for the NARS Orgasm liquid blush and it is so affordable because the NARS Orgasm original blush is very expensive, and if you don't want to get your hands on that one, you can try out this blush. This is not an Indian brand, but it is widely available in India through various Instagram pages who deal in import and export of makeup products. I will link the Instagram page from where I got this one in the description box below so you can get your hands on it, and I absolutely recommend it to any one of you guys who are looking for a liquid blush which also gives a golden glow and beautiful highlight on the skin. I really like it. It comes with a pump and just 1 drop is enough to cover your cheeks beautifully. It gives a blush and a highlighted effect on the cheeks and the packaging is so classy. I absolutely love it and it is so affordable. Like I got this one only for 650 rupees. Imagine. It is so classy and with the amount that I use, I feel that it will last me so long. I highly recommend it to you guys. There are various shades available in it. So if you want to try out peach shade or a pink shade or a little reddish shade, you can go for it. On number 2, I have the original NARS Orgasm stick blush. Now this is in a stick form, it is not in a liquid form. I got this for my mother because it's very convenient to use. Now this is a very natural looking blush. It looks very natural on the cheeks and it also has golden highlighter mixed in it, so it also gives a beautiful shine to the cheeks and it is so easy to use, just like that, and it's done and dusted. I really like it. it. There are various forms like liquid form, a powder form and a stick form available in it. This is called the multiple. I got it because it's more convenient to use. But the reason why I have given it number 2 rank and not number 1 is because this stick form, it is not suitable for yellow undertones. Like when I apply it on my cheeks, it is very slightly visible. Like I can see the highlight, but I can't really see the color in it. But when my mother applies it, she's like 4 or 5 shades fairer than me. It looks beautiful on her skin tone and the blush is very clearly visible. So this blush is only good for people who have extremely fair skin or have pink undertone to them. If you have a little skin tone compared to my skin tone or you have yellow undertone, then I don't think this will work for you. Maybe you can go for the liquid highlighter or the powder highlighter, but not the stick form. Also, it is expensive. So if you are really looking to invest into a product which will last you really long, it would be a good quality, and like all the actresses use NARS Orgasm blush in any form, so you can get your hands on it because it's really natural looking. It gives your cheeks a very natural flushed look. And yeah, that's a number 2 NARS Orgasm. And on number 1, I have my favorite Benetint by Benefit Cosmetics. This product is expensive, but trust me, it will last you so long. You would just need 2 swipes here, 2 swipes here, and you're done for it. It comes in somewhat like a nail paint type of container with a little brush on it, and it lasts so long. This is waterproof. Even if you wash your face with a face wash and even if you remove it with a makeup remover, your cheeks are still red and pinkish, and that's what I absolutely love about it because it stays for so long. So this gives a reddish and maroonish tint to the face. There are various other shades available, but this is the classic one. It gives a natural flushed look. It looks as if you've just had a workout, or your cheeks are naturally red and rosy. I absolutely love this Benetint. This blush is highly recommended to all of you guys. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. I have a complete series on these top 5 and top 10 makeup and skincare products available in India, and these videos are super helpful. Make sure to check it out. I would be mentioning it in the description box down below. And yeah guys, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, and it would be great if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.